You're gonna watch this video when you get older, when you're driving. You're like, how did I change my tire? You're gonna go back and watch it?
Yeah.
Or you're gonna call me and make me do it? You're gonna call me and make me do it. All right, y'all. Today we are gonna do changing a tire. Nothing special. I'm just gonna show how you take off the lug nuts, jack it up, and get the spare out and put the tire back together. Bella's gonna help me out and make this video. So hope y'all enjoy it, and we'll take it step by step. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. I think it's time. All right, first one is get yourself a floor jack. Or you can use the bottle jack that comes with the truck or the vehicle. And you're gonna wanna find a flat spot under the truck to put the floor jack, to be able to jack it up. All right, this is the lug nut wrench. This is gonna take off the lug nuts. And this side is the bar that's gonna help me move the tire. I'll show you what I mean. You ready? It's gonna fit right on the lug nuts, and you wanna loosen them all up before you jack the thing up. You wanna get on one?
Yeah.
All right, come over here. You're pushing down. Down, push. Push.
It's hard.
Push. Go. Come on, push. There she goes. Next one. Push. Okay. All right. Now that you have them loose, you want to jack it up before you take it all the way up. Obviously, or else it's going to fall. All right. As you can tell, it's loose. Okay. All right, every vehicle's different. This one right here is the bar we need to lower our spare tire. So I'm gonna grab that bar right there and I'll show you what it does in the back. All right, so here's that stick I was telling you about right here. And there's a hole right here. Obviously I'm covering up my license plate, but there's a hole right here. So you slide in this stick into that hole, goes all the way in, and then you do counterclockwise, and it's gonna let your spare tire down.
Isn't that pretty cool?
Okay, so there's your spare tire. You wanna get up underneath there, and there's a wire and a little hook. There's a hook like this. It just goes down inside the hole of this. Turns sideways and then picks it back up. Okay? Alright, so not every vehicle has this tire under the vehicle like the truck does. Sometimes they're in the trunk of a car. Sometimes they're mounted in other places on a truck or a van. Typically they're in the back just like that. So now that you already have this loose, because we loosened it before we picked it up, then we take the lug nuts the rest of the way off while it's in the air. Take these off. You want to hop over there?
Yeah.
And help me take these off?
Yeah.
There you go. Alright, make sure you put these aside. Don't lose them. You're going to need them to put them back together. So, that's what the bar now works for. The bar on the other side will help you pick it up and loosen it. And then you can slide it out. Whoop, just like that. We're going to take this back and bring back the spare.
Just like.
All right. To put this back on, that's what the bar is to help you do, to pick it up. Okay. You want to line them up the holes. Now me, I like to just sit down and use both my feet.
Keep it up, one.
Just like that. Okay. You take your lug nuts back. Yep. And you put them back on.
So the wheel won't come off. Will come off again.
And they go on clockwise. right, now that they're hand tight, I'm gonna go and just tighten them one time by hand to move the tire. Make sure they're snug before I let the jack back down. Okay? Now I'm gonna let the jack down, and then we're gonna tighten these even tighter. Release the jack all the way and pull it out. All right, now we gotta tighten these up more. Wanna push down?
Yeah.
All right, push down. Push, 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 push. Okay.
Yo.
All right, she's good and tight. So now we're gonna put the spare back on. Putting the spare back on. You wanna lay it flat, and then like I said, this hook goes down the side, turns flat, and then picks the tire up. So slide your tire under first. Put your hook back in, and now this time you're gonna go clockwise, and it'll pick it back up. You wanna come over here and do it?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Put your hand here and do it clockwise. Yeah. Keep going. That's it. Pull it out. Good job. Last step, put all your tools back so you can find them next time.
Yeah.
All right, so that's how you do it. Just don't forget the steps is to loosen the lug nuts, then jack it up the rest of the way, then take off your lug nuts. Don't try and do it the other way. Your tire will be spinning and you won't have no leverage. So you're gonna watch this video when you get older, when you're driving. You're like, how did I change my tire? You're gonna go back and watch it?
Yeah.
Or you're gonna call me and make me do it? You're gonna call me and make me do it. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Leave comments down below if you got some other cool tricks or if you got any questions and we'll answer them.
Peace.
Peace.